Yeah. Hello, all. Very good evening. This is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. So thank you for waiting so long, and thanks for waiting. For sure, you're going to get a good content today. So once again I welcome you all to today's artificial intelligence with machine learning and Python. Okay. So for this first session, I welcome you all. So I hope like a few people have attended the last demo session. Okay, and from today the new batch is starting. This is the AI with ML, artificial intelligence with machine learning, batch number 1 and session number 1. Okay, so this is our course actually. So once again, I welcome you all to today's session. Before starting the session, I want to just give you some information about these artificial intelligence and machine learning course details. And I'll just show you about the social media handles that what we have on Raj Cloud Technologies name. So these things I'll just guide you, and then I'll hand over the session to the trainer. Okay. Yes. Okay, so before starting the session, I'll show you like our YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. This is our YouTube channel. Okay, so we have almost 35.6K subscribers. 35.6K subscribers, and like we have already uploaded like a 390 plus videos here. You can see 390 plus videos are available here. So these are the videos, and on different tools and technologies, like we have uploaded the videos here. Okay, if you can see here on Power BI, Informatica Cloud, Kids Coding, in Informatica Power Center, Salesforce, SAP, Azure, okay, artificial intelligence with machine learning, SAP S4 HANA, Power BI, okay, and GCP, and on many cloud technologies and many important tools like which are trending right now in the market. So on all these tools and technologies, like we have uploaded like a 390 plus videos here. You can watch them. If you like our content, you can give a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment your opinion on the video. I'm just sharing the link with you. I'm just sharing the link with you. Just give me a moment. Yeah, I have just shared the link. I have just shared the YouTube link as well, YouTube channel link as well. You can just yes, you can just click on the link which I have given, and you can just subscribe to the channel. Okay, so that you'll get all the updates here. Okay, and this is our website. So we have a website as well. This is our website. So before explaining this, I'll just go to the home screen. So this is our home screen actually. Okay, this is our home page of our website. So if you just scroll down a bit, just scroll down a bit. So here you can see all the courses that what we are offering here. Artificial intelligence with machine learning course, SAP S4 HANA and FICO, Salesforce admin and development training, cybersecurity with the ethical hacking, Azure data engineering and Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF. Okay, so Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud ISS IDMC, AWS and DevOps, GCP, Python for Kids, Python full stack development, Power BI, Python for AI and ChatGPT, Tableau. These are the few of our current trainings going on. And we are about to start a new courses as well. That is a generative AI and the testing courses as well. Okay, so we are providing the generative AI as well. So very soon, like we are starting these courses to get all the updates. To get all the updates, just keep browsing our website. I'll share the link. Keep browsing our website. You'll get all the details as well. Okay. So if you just scroll down a bit in the home screen, you can see upcoming free live sessions. Whatever the upcoming free live sessions are there. So from Raj Cloud Technologies, all the sessions you can find out here. So you can see the today's session also, artificial intelligence with machine learning, free live session at 5th June at 8 p.m. Okay, so this is what the like today's session link. Okay, even if you want to join a tomorrow session and the 9th June session, you can just click on join now and you can just submit your details and you can get the link to your mail ID. Okay, after going to the courses section here, the first one is AI and ML. You can just click on this. You can just click on this. Okay, you will be redirected to this page actually. I'll share this page link also. Yes, I have shared. Okay, so in this page, you can see all the things. Okay, so whatever the things that we will be training here, all the things you can see, the technology is taught, course unique features. Okay, so the course duration and the weekly basis content, everything you can see. Okay, each and everything you can see. If you want to see the trainer's profile, so at the end, like you're going to see the trainer's profile. After completion of this course, like what you will be getting. Okay, on each and everything you can see here. Okay, so you'll be getting all the things only. So no need to worry about that. Okay. And if you want to go to the classes, if you want to pay and if you want to enroll, you can see the pay and enroll now as well. So you can just click on the pay and enroll now and you can proceed further. I'll just like to show you like how to enroll for this course as well. No need to worry about that. As today is the first session, I just like want to engage you here. So these are the like a few basic details of our training institute, and the current program which we are dealing with is artificial intelligence with machine learning also. Okay, so the course fee and the schedule, everything I'll just like reveal you at the end of the session. Just to stay connected. You can see the course fee here 19,999, but there is some special prices available for you. Okay, no need to worry about that. Just stay connected till end of the session so that you can get the best price here. No need to worry about that. Even I'll give you the unmute option also today. Don't worry. I'll just give the unmute option also. Whenever you get doubts, you can unmute yourself and you can raise your question also. Okay. And I'll just like tell you about just like our Instagram page and I'll hand over the session to Advaith Garu. Okay. Yes. So this is our Instagram handle. So like Raj Informatica. So we have almost like 2.9K subscribers here. Okay. Followers here. So if you want to get the job updates, you can just like follow our page. You will get all the job updates here. You can see the job openings, okay? Job openings. Whatever the job openings we have, we will be posting here. Whatever the referrals we have, we'll be posting here. Okay. You can just use the link and you can follow as well. Okay. Yes, I have shared the link. You can use the link and you can follow so that like you will get all the job updates as well. Okay. So without wasting the time, I'll just like hand out the session to Advaith Garu. Meanwhile, for just a 1 minute break, we'll be taking a 1 minute small break. So you just post your name and WhatsApp number so that we will be sharing the today's session recording, and also we will be sharing you the like today's session material as well. Both the things I'll just share you. Okay. So you can just like share your name and WhatsApp number here in the chat box. In the chat box, you can select Raj Cloud Technologies and you can post your name and WhatsApp number. You will get all the updates here. Okay, you'll get all the updates here. Okay, you'll get today's session recording and material also you'll be giving. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting few numbers here, but you can just like share quickly so that like we can start the session soon. If you can share your name and WhatsApp number as early as possible, we can start the session soon. Yeah, I can see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good, good, good. You can keep sharing. We'll just like share today's session link and material with you. Yeah. Advait Garu, over to you. You can start this.
Okay. Thank you, Karthik. So you guys are able to hear my voice, right? Everyone? Hope so. We don't have any voice issues. So I'm sharing my screen. So I shared my screen. Hope everyone is able to see my screen. Okay.
Adhikar, like one more information, I have just given the unmute option also to the participants. Uh,
Sure.
so if there is any questions, they can raise now.
Sure, definitely. No issues.
Yeah, thank you, Adhikar. Yes, you can proceed, please.
In fact, I encourage the people, yes, if you have doubts and make it clear then and there, whenever that you have some doubts when I'm discussing something on it. It's not like that you have to ask at the end of the session only. You can take up initiative your question anytime in front of me. Okay. So yeah, let me introduce myself first. I am Advait. I completed my post graduation in statistics from Usmani University, Hyderabad. Okay. After that, I worked as a data analyst for TNS India Private Limited. Then again, I joined with Genpact, worked as a data scientist with Genpact. So like that, I continued my services with multiple companies, almost of 14, 15 years of industry's experience, and started parallelly teaching the people from the last 6 years with the different organizations, pan India. So currently, I was engaged with our Raj Cloud Technologies. So I will take up the classes of artificial intelligence, data analytics, machine learning, data science, and all. But today our agenda is what? To talk about the AI with ML course. Okay. So hope already you have seen the course content and all. And I'll get into the direct topic. Okay. So what is artificial intelligence? When do we call this word called artificial intelligence? What is meant by intelligence? Actually, intelligence is something like a knowledge. Right or not? Intelligence is nothing but something knowledge. And that knowledge, that what we are doing, we are trying to create an artificial knowledge that we are trying to create. Okay. So for whom we are going to make it? We are trying to make our machine, which is our computer, we are trying to make our machine to be trained by artificially by sending some knowledge. I'm telling again, we are making our machine. Machine means what? Here the meaning. What is meant by machine? Nothing but computer. Okay. So hope so. Already some people could have attended already my previous demo in the past session. So I'm not going to take up the similar kind of demo for today. So today I have prepared with a different way, so that for the people who are already joined, they should not get bored. For the people who are newly joined, again they also get some understanding about what actually we are trying to learn it today. Okay. Yeah. Coming back to the point, machine. So what we are doing? Yes, we are making our machine with, which is nothing but what our computer. And what computer is going to be happening here? Yes, getting trained. Getting trained. So with the help of some knowledge. So, and an intelligence that we are trying to make. Okay. We are trying to make our computer intelligence by making it trained with the help of some knowledge. With the help of some knowledge. So knowledge means what the meaning here? What is meant by knowledge here? Nothing but data. If I send my data, if I send my data inside the computer, and if I write down some specific code, if I write down some specific code, okay, and if I ask to remember it and start, okay, and start think like me, think like me means like human. Now it means what? We have created an artificial intelligence. If I send my data inside the computer, and if I write down some specific code, and if I ask to remember it and start think like human, now it's become what? An artificial intelligence. So nothing but artificial is nothing but something, don't think like it's look like a robot only. Okay, artificial intelligence is nothing but what? Our computer. So AI is not only about a humanoid that you are seeing in the YouTube or in the apps. AI is nothing but our computer only. So we are the people who are developing it. So we are the people who are developing on day to day in our everyday life cycle. The more if you are using the computer, the more intelligent it is becoming. Okay. Yes. Now without, so now you people are already aware how much of change which is happening in the current industries. Everywhere that you see, AI is getting replaced with the humans, with all the domains, not with respect to only one single or two domains or three domains. It's applicable with every domain. It could be a transportation services, it could be a e-commerce services, it could be a telecom services, it could be a banking, pharma, okay, tours and travels, logistics, manufacturing, supply chain management, okay, hospitals industries, pharma industries, you take any industries, yes, AI is getting replaced. AI is getting changed, ruling the world now. Now, if we don't ourselves also change, now tomorrow we are also going to be replaced with AI somewhere. The best example, if you observe from the last few years, call center jobs are specifically gone ignored, completely laid off. Do you see any call center jobs are there nowadays? Very less often. Major industries are being removed the call center jobs. Like that, so many places. Okay. Yes, AI is a technology that makes it possible. If someone is asking something, please put yourself mute if you don't have any questions. Okay, if you have any questions you can ask. Okay. Yeah, so AI is a technology that makes it possible for machines to do smart things. That's what I said now. What is our intention? Yes, we are sending a data inside the computer, and it will remember the things and start thinking like human. That's what I said. AI is a technology that makes it possible for machines to do smart things like understanding our voice commands and start replying to us, like our Siri and Alexa are doing, like our Google Voice is doing, like our Google Map is replying to you, recognizing the faces in the photos, playing games like chess. So many things are getting changed, right or not? So these are all the changes which is happening. What? Because of artificial intelligence only. So the more advanced it is getting up. Okay. So every day, up to dates, updates are also getting, recommendations also getting. When you are opening a OTT platforms, now most of the people are you are using OTT platforms, right? You might using what is it, Disney Hotstar or Netflix or any other platforms. Now, if you see, when you open it, immediately a new movie or the old movie or the similar content movie what you have watched earlier will be recommending you as a first choice. He will be having some 500 movies, but only not all 500 movies are displaying in front of you. Only a recommended movies are displaying in front of you. How it is possible? How do they understand your interests? Because in the past, what searched content that you have made it, okay, what videos that you have watched, what kind of content that you liked it, they are observing. They are in the sense here, our AI in the back end is getting observed the behavior of your and accordingly suggesting you. Nowadays, people are watching more, spending more time in the Instagram. If you watch one specific related content, for example, you are watching a dance video of someone. Similarly, same videos will keeps on coming in the trolling or not. If you are looking at funny videos for constantly for 3 minutes, na, yes, so many funny videos will be keeps on coming. If you are watching any technology related videos, na, similar technology videos are coming. How this are possible? Very fastly, actually, they are changing the recommendations getting in front of you. So how these are things are possible? Yes, because of AI. Because of AI that we are making these things done. So our machine, which is nothing but what? Our machine is getting trained. So here, this journey should be start with a proper way of learning step by step right from the beginning. So what are the subjects supposed to be learned here right from the beginning? So the minimum knowledge that you start with what? Statistics knowledge. The minimum knowledge we should have from the statistics background. Even if you are not from the statistics background, no need to worry. What amount of content is required, we will discuss in the regular classes. Then, yes, a programming language is mandatory. A coding language is mandatory because I said now we are writing some specific code. So some people are from non-tech background or non-IT or non-coding background. Yes, but it's a time to learn some coding. So no need to worry about the code because Python is beautiful and easiest. Comparing with Java, C++, na. Okay, these are little bit complicated languages, to be frank, but Python is actually very easy in understanding the coding because they have some advantages. So they have some advantages called as libraries, packages. Now we are not aware. Now you people are not aware what are meant by libraries, packages. But if you have heard about these words, then it is good. So these libraries, packages will helps us to, okay, it will give a ready-made code. Ready-made code. I will mention as ready-made code. Understood the word called ready-made, na? Ready-made means what? Already prepared something and it is giving to you. Simple example. If you are taking a cloth to purchase your dress, okay, if you go to the tailor, he will stitch it and he will give you. So purchasing the raw material, going to a tailor and he is stitching, taking your sizes and all, he'll make it ready. But what is an alternative method? We'll go to the direct shop where we have ready-made dresses, we are purchasing it. So the stitching time, okay, calculating, purchasing, going here and there, okay. So all these are removed or not when you're getting a ready-made dresses. So our Python also have such a libraries where we have a ready-made code. So using that libraries, we can get the results very fastly, like our calculator. Simply this ready-made code, something like a calculator. So having knowledge on Python is very, very important. Next one, yes, we are supposed to join with our journey, machine learning. Yes. So without touching the machine learning, you can't really get the deep understanding of the AI. I'll come back to the machine learning. I'll give some more inputs on it. Then after that, you are supposed to learn NLP. So what is NLP? Natural language processing. Natural language processing. These are the Google map that you are using every day. Okay, you can give a voice command or not. So what is our system doing there? This voice command is taking, so it is an audio format, right? And this audio format is converting into text format. Then text format converted into NLP process techniques. NLP, natural language. Okay. Then it is converted into a data. Then it is understanding your query and started replying you back. Started replying you back in the form of an answer or anything, the suggestions. Answer or suggestions or replace, however you take it. So anywhere, if you see a voice command processor is happening, so that's all working in the behind what? NLP. So NLP also we are going to learn. On the NLP only, there are a lot of job openings are existing. You believe it or not. Only if you learn the NLP also, you are going to have a large amount of job openings. Example, from the existence of NLP, ChatGPT, Meta AI. Right or not? Meta AI, now people are, you are using Meta AI in your WhatsApp or not? ChatGPT, already people have learned many things. From the last 2 years, it was in the usage. So these are what the outcomes from the NLP. If you learn the natural languages process properly, many industries are trying to develop ChatGPT kind of tools. To be frank, our India itself trying to prepare a ChatGPT. India, because Deep Seek, which is developed by China. So our Indians also trying to prepare our own ChatGPT. Within the next 6 months or 3 months, yeah, you might hear about this word called, yes, India also brought up a new ChatGPT for our own internal purposes. Because if I use the American ChatGPT now, my data is getting stored under the American servers, not in our Indian servers. So there is a problem of, yeah, our data we might not safe all the times. Hence, it is required to prepare our own ChatGPT. So industries industries such as n number of companies in India trying to prepare our own chat GPT, which is less cost, with more usage, the way how DeepSeek has been created with the chain. Okay, the next one is what? Yes, deep learning. So what is this deep learning? The advanced section from the ML part. The advanced section from the ML part is what? Nothing but deep learning. So deep, understand the word called deep learning. So deep understanding. Deep understanding. So deep understanding about what? Yes, again, data. Where we could see image processing techniques. So generally nowadays, if you see in your industries, your attendance is been taken with the biometrics, right or not? Earlier we have the identity cards. Through identity cards only we will access that and we'll go there. But nowadays what happens? Yeah, they are putting up some face recognition system, and your attendance is getting captured through image, so that you have seen experienced it or not. Hope so. Wherever that you are, wherever whichever the companies that you are working, you could have seen that techniques. So that's the best example where image is getting processed and remembering that. So whenever you are coming back, so it is trying to match back with a past image. Is the same person or not? At the beginning, I loaded your image and I'm comparing with that. I'm comparing with that, and I'm saying that is the same person. 90% matching, 70% matching. If I see minimum 80% matching, yes, your attendance is getting captured. If I see if your face is not really looks like the earlier image, yeah, your attendance has gone under absent. That means that you are not given properly your face. So this all comes under what? Yes, deep learning methodologies. So during our journey, during our this 60 to 70 hours journey, yes, we are going to cover from the statistics. As I told, it's like 1 week of time. Imagine this is 1 week. Okay, for initiating the Python, yes, here also 1 week. I'm just roughly writing. Okay, and ML, yes, here we are going to spend 2 weeks. And NLP also, yes, here also we are going to spend 2 weeks. So every topic we are spending good amount of time. Okay, and finally deep learning also we are going to spend 2 weeks. Roughly I mentioned, but yes, if your questions and queries are asking a little bit more in deeper understanding, yes, the more time also we are ready to spend here. So these entire things will take us for almost 60 to 70 hours. So that's how we have planned it. Okay, now let us go in detail little bit exactly what is machine learning. What is machine learning? Okay, let's take an example. So I have a data of some company. Look at this, it's a real-time data. So what this data says actually is a company, okay, a company who is investing good amount of money in marketing their products through different medias. Okay, a company is marketing his products through different medias. So every day, imagine this is like ID means not every day. Okay, every day I'm giving up investment in showing my ads under the TV with $230.1. Imagine like that. Through social media, I'm spending $37.8. And through newspaper, I'm circulating my ads $69.2. Finally, after watching the ads are at the end of the day, my sales are like this 22.1 something. Probably sales are in $1,000. Okay, these are normal individual dollars. Okay, this is in sales in little bit more, but we reduced that length. I controlled with with just 22.1K dollars it is actually. Okay, so our intention, so our client is asking that I am spending a lot of amount on these three individual channels, but my sales is not up to the mark, the way how much of investment I have made it, but I'm not getting that much of sales back. Now I want to verify. I want to verify which media is really it is influencing my sales. Are you clear, guys, what I'm talking? which media is really influencing my sales? I want to know it. This is the first question they are asked for us. Okay. Now what shall I do? We have to apply some statistics, minimum statistics, to understand that what's really going on there. Sales is getting increasing or decreasing because of what? You are investing more money on TV. That's what the reason of sales. Or social media influences more, or newspaper influences, because our client would like to know if, for example, if social media is not doing any influence on the sales, so I'll drop the investment on the social media. That's what he want to know it. If he sees that newspapers are really doing well, he will start improving the investment under the newspaper only. He will drop on the social media and the TV. So this is the what the plan they have. Now what I have to do it then? So coming back to here, I'll explain with a simple logic. So we were looking for a graph in the statistics. Okay, we were looking for a graph in the statistics. So the graph will be scatter plot. We call it scatter plot. We'll discuss this one again in the real classes also. But I am giving a hint to understand what is exactly our job is actually. So this place is what? 0, origin. This is x-axis, right? In the mathematics we have seen this one, x-axis. This is y-axis. Okay? Yes. And what we are taking here on x-axis, I will take the values of TV, for example. On y-axis, what I will take? I will take the sales. Okay. So what is on x-axis? TV values. If you see minimum TV, how much it is? 0.7 is the value, minimum investment, and 296 is the highest value, maximum value. So these all things will be, let's say 10, 20, okay, 50, 100, okay. So 200, like that, it keeps on moving, 300, like that. Similarly, sales also will have some range, right or not? If you see, 1.6 is the minimum sales, 27 is the highest sales. So imagine this is 1, 5, 10, okay, 15, 20, 25, like this. So we are checking with the combination, yeah, 230.1, 22.1. So will be points or will be like this. Okay, so after plotting it, you might across a kind of relationship like this. Your data points, the patterns, the combinations that we are plotted on here like this. Okay, if you see, points have been plotted. So I have to understand that in this example, okay, so that means what? The more investment if I'm making on TV, the more sales I'm going to have like this. So this is what I'm expecting. So are our data is really matching with this example or not? I'm not sure. I'm just giving an overview. Similarly, I also going to compare. Yes, if I take the social media on x-axis, on sales on y-axis, the same thing is happening here also or not? If yes, then how much? So which are the variables? Or variables means what here? These are the variables. In statistics, we call as TV is a variable, social media is a variable, newspaper is a variable, and sales is also variable. So which variables are actually influence the sales? We are going to know it. So this graph I can make it through done even with the Excel sheet also I can do it. Okay, so I'll show you how it is possible in the Excel also. So in the Excel, yeah, we have something here, charts. Okay, first of all, I'll select these two columns properly and I'll put down on here. So yes, yeah, this one, yes. So which one I have taken actually? TV and sales now. So I'll paste it here. Usually, I have a habit of maintaining these running notes also. I'll show you at the end how my running notes will be there. Okay. So this is what exactly? TV sales. So what is happening here? As a TV, I mean, the investment, the more you do on TV, the sales is really happening in the same manner or not. So that means there is a good relationship is there between the TV and sales. Let us verify other two variables also. Okay, so I'm going back to Excel. I'll remove this one. Now I'm going to compare with the social media and sales. So again, I'm doing some graph here. Not this one. Yeah, this one only. Yeah, what about this one? How does it looks like? If you see, TV is having good relationship with the sales, but social media is not completely like TV, right or not? This is sales. So social media is actually sometimes it is having good, sometimes it is not. So if you see the variance, the change is happening more here. At the beginning it was good, but after that change is happening more. So it is not much effective comparing with the TV. TV has a good change. Always it is increasing all the times. But social media has not happened. Sometimes if you do lot of investment also, sales is not up to mark here. This combination if you see, this combination if you see, sometimes you have done a lot of investment but it's not happened also sometimes. Fact reasons could be different. Okay, next one. Let's try with the last one. Yeah, what is the newspaper versus sales? Now let us see the relationship in between this one. Now what do you see? Do you see such relationship is there between newspapers and sales? Can anyone comment on it? What do you think newspapers is happening here? Do you see the similar kind of graph with the newspaper? No, na? Actually, I'm investing on the newspaper, but my sales is not happening anywhere. My sales is going somewhere. I'm doing the investment on the newspaper, but my sales is not really happening. There is no proper relationship between the newspaper and sales. By looking at the graphs, my first review to the client saying that, okay, TV is excellent. I can write a comment like this. Okay, TV is influencing on the sales with an excellent, and social media, yes, it is like a good. Okay, and newspaper is not at all poor. So this is the first comment I given to my client. Understood now? Now my client is coming back and asking that, can you develop a machine learning model? Can you develop a machine learning model to understand that? Okay, yeah, okay, to understand that. Okay, yes. If I invest $100 on TV, how much I can expect the sales? How much I can expect the sales? This is the first question. Okay, if I invest $100 on TV, how much I expect the sales? This is my client is asking. So what shall I do? Yes, I have to take the help of machine learning model. So machine learning model will do what? It has many different algorithms: linear regression, logistic regression, support vector machine, decision trees. So many varieties of algorithms are. What is algorithm? A predefined concept. Okay, a predefined concept which understands the relationship between x variable and y variable. So what does it mean, x variable, y variable? Nothing but, yeah, TV variable, sales variable. So what it will do, it will understand the relationship in between them and generates a model, and generates a, in simple words, generates, I say as model, but actually in simple words I'll tell you, a formula it will create a formula. You know the meaning of formula, right? Formula. In the chemistry also we have here this kind of formula. In the mathematics also, we hear this word called as formula. So formula means what? Which gives a results. If I apply some action on the formula, which gives me some results. So that formula will be looks like this. In your childhood days, you heard about this word, right? There's something called y equal to mx plus c. So this is also some kind of formula or not? Mathematical formula. So in our course, which is matching with this y is called mx plus c, we are going to have something called y equal to beta naught plus beta 1 x1. So in our example, y is nothing but sales of the company. X is nothing but how much that investment that you do through TV. So here, what is X? You understood. What is Y? You are understood. Then what are these two things? So this thing is like this. Beta naught is nothing but what? The minimum investment that you are making it, that you are doing it. The minimum investment that you are supposed to do it. Then what is beta 1? How many times? My writing may be not so good, but try to understand. Okay. How many times? Okay. I have to multiply with okay our X, the investment, such that it will gives me sales of the company. So this calculation will take care by the Python. This calculation will take care by the Python. Okay. In a very short note, I will show the Python code now. So don't worry if you are not what to say familiar with the Python code. So I'll just give me a minute. I will finish up this one. Okay. So don't worry by reading up these all instructions what I'm writing, because in the general classes I will explain you all these things what is going to be happen. Okay. But here I want to mesh. I want just to make you and yes, how does it is possible through the CSV? I mean through this Python code, the learning that we are discussed now. So I'm just trying to do it. Okay. Okay. So here we have something called library. So here I'm declaring that what is my Y. So what is our Y? Sales. And what is our X? TV, na? Yes, TV. So I declared these two things. What is my Y? What is my X? Okay. Now here I'm calling this linear regression, which I just given some name now. Model. I am talking about mathematical model. That thing I'm calling it here. So I am fitting the model now, and this model will give me what is my intercept value and what is my coefficient value. So which are nothing but what? This is, as I told, this is beta naught value, and this is what? Beta 1 value. So I just told you now, going back to here. So my beta naught value is created by our machine. It is understand the relationship. Okay, simply 7.03. So minimum investment that you are supposed to do what? 7.03 plus 0.04 is the multiplication that you are should make it with what amount of investment that you are doing on TV. For example, my question is what? What is our client asked that? Yes, if I put down $100 on the TV, what is the result you are going to have? How much of sales I can expect? So I have to add up all this now. All these things are not. Simply I will try to do this. Okay, so I'll take this value. Manually I'm doing actually. Okay. So my machine will do it all this calculation, but I'm just showing you the manual to understand the what's going on. So $100. Now run this result. Yes. What amount? $11.78. 11.78K. I said na K. So I am telling to my client that if you put down $100 on the TV, you're going to have the 11.78 thousands dollars as a sales for your company in the promising of revenue. Clear? So this is I'm talking with respect to 100. If you give 150, yes, it will do it. Okay. So this is manual way actually. This is manual way of calculation I'm doing, but I don't want to do it manually. I want to make it a okay. I want to make it like in a simplest way. Let's make it simple. So for that purpose, I am making a little bit another library calling as NumPy. So 100. Again, I'm doing the same thing. T1. So I'm saving test value T1. A model dot predict is a function I'm using T1. So same result you are getting or not? Look out. 11.786275427694. Same thing you are getting. So here I done manual method, but I'm not doing the manual method. My system will take care of all the things. Now I'm taking up not only 100, I will ask for, yeah, can you calculate for 50? If I give 50 rupees or $50, what amount of sales? Yes. If I rerun it, yes, you will get a 9.409. If you give $50, you'll get 9.409 thousands dollars as a return. If I give 150, my client is keep on testing himself how much of sales I'm going to have. Okay, if I put down 150 as investment, I'll get 14.16 as returns. Now I'm interested to, I want to get the $20,000 as returns. So what amount of investment I have to do? Okay, I'll try with 200 then. If I put down 200 rupees of investment, will I get still 16.5? So 200 also not sufficient. So you have to realize, okay, I have to make it 300 or what? Can I make it 300? Let's see. Yeah, after reaching the $300, now I can guess, say, I can estimate the result of 20 as my expectations. So I have to keep ready with my 300 rupees of investment here. Did everyone is able to understand this logic? What I'm talking? So don't worry. This code that I have prepared now, we'll talk in detail. Each line again we'll discuss in the classes regularly. But this is what you are supposed to do it. This is what you are supposed to do it. All of you understand now? So I'll save this code. So generally, yeah, our sessions will be like this only. But in detail, we'll discuss. Okay, so this is a demo code. And this is our data file. So this visualization also we can do under the Python. That is also possible. But understand the problem here. So our machine has been trained. That's what the problem here. Okay. Machine got trained by sending a data here and machine started calculating it. Like I'm asking to Google or Google. Okay, I'm asking the 21 plus 20. So Google will respond with an answer or not? Meta AI ChatGPT will respond with an answer or not? So here also I given a task to computer. Yeah, estimate the sales of the company based on the investment on the TV. Clear? Here also I given a task to my computer. Okay, based on the how much investment our client do, my machine will start predicting the how much of revenue that they will get. So this is what called machine learning. Like that, yes, so many topics are there in the machine learning. Once you understand the machine learning properly, yes, you can start slowly how NLP is also going to train, and then how deep learning also getting trained. So in our entire course, we have discussed the core concept behind it with a real-time case study with a Python code, and you are going to see the regular notes also from my end, which I'm going to show you. Look out here. So every day, I'm going to write down some notes like this. And these notes I am going to share with you. I'll create a drive link and I'll upload the materials, whatever the calculations, discussions that we do, the Python code, PPTs, okay, data files, notes, these entire things I'm going to share with you people, so that you can review it back, you can rework on it, practice it, come back with the questions. So like that, I have a habit of preparing up all these notes only. So many things I do it all the times. So this notes will be helpful to you for coming practices, for the interviews, because at a time in the interview you can't revise it all the things at one shot na. So this summary notes will help you in understanding the things properly. All are clear? Where is our notes? Here it is. Yes. Yeah, now you can ask me any questions from your end. Whatever the doubts that you have, I will try to solve it. I think some have been respond the chat box. Let me check. Yes, Anil Devi. Yes, you have any questions? Yeah, I see you. I see your message. Hi, just now. I did not see your message. Now I am seeing yours. Freshers also eligible for this course? Yes, Anil. Fresher also eligible for this course, but yes, lot of knowledge is required. You have to little bit make hard work, then you will get it. If you experience well, you can write your projects on the resume and you can get it. Okay. Yeah. Any questions from other people? You can unmute and you can talk to me directly if you have any questions. Yes, you can share your name, number to our host, Raj Cloud team. They will follow up with you and they will make you include into the WhatsApp group. So very soon we will start up the classes. Probably by tomorrow or Monday we'll start up the classes, I think. So once we get the confirmation from all the participants, how many are willing to join, how many people are ready to join, then immediately we'll take up the sessions very fastly.
Hello.
Yes, Krishna.
Hey, Advaith, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So, as a ETL developer, this is suitable. This course is
Hmm.
suitable for ETL developers, or something need to learn on Python, some other technologies.
So, you are a ETL developer. Actually, now
Hmm.
there are some other technologies also there, like something called a big data.
Hmm.
So actually, ETL developer is something matching with a big data developer.
Hmm.
But learning the big data is also a big challenge for you. Big data, like now, there are some other technologies that are there, Hadoop,
Yeah.
Spark, yeah, Azure. So these platforms are a little bit more complicated into the real world, because training, learning is also not an easy, which is time taking thing. That is one case, and
Hmm.
you don't have any platform to practices of those things. Okay, for example, Azure. If I choose Azure, so choosing learning Azure or Hadoop is not a free of cost. You have to purchase that platform, you have to pay the monthly rental on it, and you have to practice it. So we don't have any free versions to learn up all those things. That is case one. Second case is, yeah, high technology. That is one case. Okay. Well, come to the these platform, you are already belonging to the same family. But here we have a platform of online tools, free of cost. Free version tools are there. We are not spending any investment to practice and learnings, except from the our course fees. We don't have any other platforms to pay anywhere. So we can practice our own self, we can learn it ourselves, and once you have done the project, you can try with your own findings, or you can depend on the any other references. So here, yes, when you are belongs to the similar family, yes, you can also put down your efforts in here and you can match up your profile to here and you can jump into this. And lot of openings under there under the AI/ML only, rather than comparing with the big data tools. Lot of packages also good. Lot of what say different types of roles also moreover under the AML. So I'm sure, yeah, it is, you can make it practically done. Okay, Krishna?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Any more questions from anyone?
So yeah, all the machine learning programming we need to start creating the Python code only, right? I hope.
Correct. Exactly. Without Python, we don't have any other choice. We are supposed to join with the Python classes at the beginning. Till the end of the course, Python will be there every day.
Okay.
But the advantage is using Python is what? As I told, lot of libraries are there. So the back end mathematics, statistics, everything will be done completed by those libraries. So no need to implement too many lines of code. With the minimum lines of code only, we can finish up all the results very fast. So coming days, like you have seen ChatGPT. So how to utilize the ChatGPT in completing your projects also, I will help you. How to finish your entire codes using the ChatGPT also, I can tell you. So ChatGPT is making us this libraries, Python code, everything is given in detail. So we are supposed to see that did our code is giving a better results or not. If not, then what else we have to do it. So actually coding is becoming very easy nowadays.
Okay.
Yes. Anyone else?
Hello.
Yes, please.
Sir, myself Santosh Kumar.
Yes, Santosh.
Sir, actually, I don't had any experience on any type of industry, and completely I'm a fresher.
Okay.
And this AI and machine learning, how can it is helpful for me to get a career
Okay.
balance
So
to my
you're
life?
from which background, which education background, Santosh?
Sir, I completed my graduation in BSc.
BSc.
Yes.
So BSc which subjects?
Sir, actually, I'm from hotel management.
Okay, all right. Yes. So it is completely different profile. But
Yeah, sir.
actually, yes, if a person who have the knowledge on hotel management, so that
Sir,
means what you are aware about yes, how a hotels will run, how a restaurants will run, okay, on what combinations of either veg items or non-veg items people are attracting more. So yes,
sir.
what you can do is after learning this course, okay, you can apply the analytics on the given data. For example, imagine you got an offer from the Swiggy. Okay, so what the
Sir.
Swiggy people will do? Generally, they will take up the orders from the every customers and they have to bring that order delivery on time. This is the primary role, primary job. So
Yeah.
like that, if I give the Swiggy data of entire 1 year, every day which customers from which location, what items they are ordering, do they have such data or not? No, your job
Yes,
is
sir.
to apply the analytics over there and identify that, yes, for which customer, at what time, what kind of meal to be recommended. Are you getting my point? Which customer,
Yes, yes, sir.
at what days, weekdays or weekends, daytime or nighttime, what recommendation can be done? Because in the past 6 months, some of the customers, specifically they are focusing on the weekends or specifically they are focusing on the non-veg, which combinations they are liking, you are already aware it. Now you are trying to make your company in a convenient way, in a such a way that yes, your recommendations should match with their customers perspective, and immediately by looking at your recommendation they should feel yes, interesting on the recommendation, immediately they have to give the order. If this recommendation is successful works, so you will have a good amount of growth in your career or not. So they're
Yes,
also possible.
yes, sir.
It's not about,
Thank
yes,
you.
that's what, yes, all right. Yeah, it's not about only for the hotel management career, in every
Yes,
industry. To be frank, nowadays, if you are using Swiggy or Zomato apps, na, you are getting
yes, sir.
recommendations also, right? On Saturdays,
Yes,
Sundays.
sir.
in the
Yes.
form of notifications. So already people are applied it. Actually, people are started using that AI applications also. But the thing is what? Yes, still some companies are not started realizing about the how to utilize these things. So one after that, people are getting recruited and started applying over there. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Yes. Anyone else? All are clear with all the questions? So Karthik?
Yeah, Advait Gar, I'm available in the meeting. I'll just take over from here.
Yes. So I think I'm done, and people don't have any questions. Yes. I'll just what to say? I will stop my screen sharing. Now you can continue from your end. Okay.
Hello everyone, this is Karthik again from Raj Cloud Technologies. So yeah, so hope you have a wonderful session today. And so I'll just like help you for the registration things and like how the things will be here. Okay. So this course is completely online and you're going to get the complete end-to-end real-time knowledge, real-time scenarios, complete real-time project you will be doing on your hands-on. So you can gain the complete 100% knowledge here. Okay. So our course name is Artificial Intelligence with Machine Learning, which includes Python. Okay, this course duration is 60 plus days. Okay, 65 to 70 hours of content will be delivered to you. And our class timings are evening. Our class timings are evening 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. IST, 2 hours in a day. 2 hours in a day. And coming to the weekly schedule, 4 days in a week. 4 days in a week we have the classes. They are Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Wednesday, Saturday, Sunday, you will be having the holidays. So for every two classes, you will get a time to practice. In this way, we have scheduled these trainings actually. So you can join the training. And today is a batch starting actually. Today is the first session happened today. Okay, the next class will be tomorrow. Tomorrow in the same timing, same 8:30 timing, we have a class. Okay. If you want to join the class, contact the team, Raj Cloud Technologies team. You can contact us. From today, the new batch was started, and this is the session 1 today. We happen today, and our classes schedule is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, so today is a Thursday. We had a session. Tomorrow, Friday, again we have a session here. Okay, yes. And in this training, we are going to cover one real-time project and a few case studies as well. Okay, so case studies will help you more to complete the project as well. Okay. So a few case studies and one real-time project will be covered here. Each and every session we are going to record and we are going to share it with you. Every session will record and will share it with you along with the material. You can access this for lifetime. You can access this for lifetime. There is a no limited period like a 3 months, 5 months, or 1 year, not like that. You will be having a lifetime access here. You can watch it anytime. Okay. And the batch is started today. And the batch is started today. So for registrations, you can contact us on these two numbers. There are two numbers like where you got the today session link and where you got the like links in the status and everything. So this is the two numbers actually 810-529-6858, which we have mentioned in our website. The website you can see here 810-529-6858. This is our primary WhatsApp and calling number as well. You can contact us from morning 8 a.m. to night 11 p.m. We will be available. Okay, every day, Sunday to Monday. There is no holiday, no weekends, nothing will be there. From Sunday to Monday, we will be available from morning 8 a.m. to night 11 p.m. We will be available. Okay, for any queries, any doubts, any access, okay, any registration, you can just contact us on this. And the one more support number is 63616 38108. These two are the support numbers actually. I am going to share these things with you in the meeting chat. Okay, you can just take a screenshot or you can just like click on the contact and you can save it as well. Okay, so use these contacts to contact us and we accept all the payment modes. We accept UPI, debit card, credit card, international transfer, PayPal, Remitly, bank-to-bank transfer, everything we accept actually. So no need to worry about that. Okay. For more details, you can just visit this page. So this is the page actually. I'm sharing the page link as well. Okay. As I said, there is some special offer is available for you. I'll just like show you the special offer as well. So in our home screen only, you can see this the offer details and everything. Flat 15% discount is available. Flat 15% discount is available on all our trainings, and you can use this code if you want to pay through website. If you want to pay from website, you can use this code and you can get these discounts. Go to the courses section, go to the AI and ML program. You can just click on the AI and ML program and you can just scroll down a bit. Here you can see the class timings 8:30 p.m. IST, and weekly will be having a 4 classes as I said you can click on pay and enroll now. You can click on pay and enroll now. Okay, so this is the final payment page actually. So this is just a minute. I'm saying I'm getting the charts actually, but few people said the chart was disabled. Not sure why. Just a second. I'm just checking. Yeah, I have enabled the chart again. Okay, so this is the final payment page. Here you can see that the coupon code applied. The coupon code applied for artificial intelligence with machine learning program. Okay, so this is your cart actually. 15% cart discount is available. Expires on 6th June. Okay, so today is the 5th June actually. Today is the 5th June. By 6th June, like we are just like closing this offer actually. So hope you have like see many people have enrolled and they got the like access as well. And these advantage of getting 15% discount from last 15 days. Almost like from the last demo also I can have shown this for you. Okay, so till you can see the expire date as well here till 6th June, that is tomorrow. Till tomorrow, like we have the chance to complete your payment. Okay, so you get the 15% discount. That means you are going to pay only 16,999 rupees only. You're going to pay only 16,999. You can just like fill your details. You can just give your email ID and name, country. Even if you're from a different country, you can select here. Okay, so you can select your state and phone number. And at the end, in the payment part, you should just check very consciously here. This is a Indian credit or debit cards or EMI or UPI things. It will work here. If you want to pay through international cards, if someone is from a different country, if you want to enroll, you can just click on the international debit cards. Okay, you can just click on the international debit cards and you can enroll here. Okay, so after selecting your payment mode, you can just select here the terms and conditions agreed and you can click on the pay and enroll now and you can enroll for this course. Okay, so all the payment modes are accepted even here as well. Even here as well, you can accept all the payment modes. Just a moment. Yeah, after once you started this you will get all the options here. Okay, 16,999 was the price summary, and you can get all the offers as well. See, there are two offers available on UPI transaction mode and cards transaction mode. There are 1.5% you can save. You can save on 5% on your some particular cards, on net banking, wallets, QR. Every payment mode is available. So no need to worry about the payment options. If someone want to pay through the PhonePe GPay, okay, I can share you the PhonePe GPay numbers as well. So here I have mentioned here Nagvini D. This is the banking name. Okay, I can share in the chat. Yes, in the chat I have shared the PhonePe GPay number as well. You can just like take a screenshot of this and you can make the payment here and you can update us. For any doubts, you can connect us at any time. Okay, as I said this is our WhatsApp number and a calling number as well. We will be available from morning 8 a.m. to night 11 p.m. We will be available. Okay. So this is our WhatsApp and calling number as well. 810-529-6858. If anyone is having any doubts regarding these things, You can unmute yourself and you can ask, please. If you have any questions, you can just unmute yourself and you can ask me, please. Or you can text me also. If you're unable to unmute, you can text me also. I hope everyone had very good session today and like you got like a very good knowledge on this AI and ML, correct? Yes. So daily usually we will be having a 2 hour session, okay? From 8:30 to 10:30 you'll be having a session, 2 hours per day. Okay. And for every 2 days, you will be getting a chance to have a holiday and you can practice that particular 2 sessions like what we have done on the previous 2 days. Okay. And you can, if you have any doubts, you can ask in the next session on the Thursday. And again, after Friday, you'll be getting a Saturday and Sunday 2 days holidays here. And again, you can and again you can just like ask your doubts on the Monday again. Okay. Or else like you'll be having a WhatsApp group where you people can post your doubts and you can clear each other. Okay. You'll get the WhatsApp group link as well. Okay. So I hope like whoever paid already, you will get the links today. Don't worry about that. So you'll be getting your WhatsApp number or your WhatsApp group access today and you can practice well. Okay. Yes. Tomorrow also we have session. Tomorrow also we have session. Okay, for the Zoom meeting link, you can contact my team. You can complete your registration today and you can get it. You can just contact my team on the numbers I have given to you. Yes, each and every session we are going to provide you the recording. Don't worry about that. Yes, Anusha Garu, like you will be getting the details from our team. Don't worry about that. So, if you people are already paid, you will get the you will get the complete details. So, if you haven't paid, please contact me here on this 8105296858. You will get the meeting details like how to join every instruction. You will get it on this number. Okay. So, hope I have answered all your questions. Yes, see, if you are like upskilling to AI, you no need to look for any other things, okay? Because so whatever the skills you are having already, or if you want to upskill in the combination of AI and ML also, we are here to help you. See, we have all the latest cloud technologies as well. Okay, so we have SAP, we have Salesforce, we have GCP, we have AWS, we have Azure, we have Snowflake, we have Informatica Cloud. So almost the top trending cloud technologies are also available with us. Okay, even whoever working on these cloud technologies, if they want to switch to this AI and ML, definitely see if you want to enhance your opportunities or if you want to if you want to make your work more easier. Okay, so all these things will help you here. Okay, no need to worry about that. You can plan to enroll for this AI and ML program and you can proceed further. So I hope like everyone was cleared with your all your doubts and all. Thank you all. Thank you for joining today's session. If you haven't dropped your name and WhatsApp number yet, you can drop here. You will get all the updates. You will get all the updates and today's session recording and material also you will be getting. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you for joining the session today. Have a great day. Thank you.